Bay Windows Loves Park offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. Custom bay windows Loves Park are designed to fit any architectural style, providing a personalized touch that reflects your taste. Energy-efficient bay windows Loves Park are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. Bay window replacement in Loves Park ensures that your windows are up to date with the latest designs and technologies. Bay window replacement in Loves Park is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Bay window design in Loves Park offers a variety of styles to choose from, ensuring that your home stands out. Bay window styles in Loves Park range from traditional to contemporary, catering to diverse preferences. Affordable bay windows. Loves Park provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Bay window contractors in Loves Park are experienced professionals dedicated to delivering exceptional service. Bay window experts in Loves Park offer valuable insights and recommendations to help you make informed decisions. Bay window solutions in Loves Park are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. Bay window upgrades in Loves Park can significantly enhance the value and appeal of your home. Bay window maintenance in Loves Park is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Bay window consultation in Loves Park provides you with expert advice and guidance throughout the process. Bay window quotes in Loves Park are competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Bay window materials in Loves Park are sourced from reputable suppliers, guaranteeing durability and performance. Bay window options in Loves Park are diverse, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your home. Bay window features in Loves Park include energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and increased natural light. Bay window benefits in Loves Park extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved ventilation and space utilization. Bay window enhancements in Loves Park can transform your living space into a more inviting and comfortable environment. Bay window replacement Loves Park addresses any issues promptly, maintaining the beauty and functionality of your windows. Bay window design Loves Park offers innovative solutions to enhance your home's appearance. Bay window styles Loves Park cater to various tastes, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Affordable bay windows Loves Park provide quality solutions at a reasonable price. Bay Window Company in Loves Park is committed to customer satisfaction, offering a wide range of services to meet your needs. Custom bay windows Loves Park are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality. Energy-efficient bay windows Loves Park help reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Bay window replacement Loves Park ensures your windows are modern and efficient.